Hello everyone, this is Lucy back with another video, and in this video I will show you how to create graph in Excel. So you just need to have a table with all the values in it you want to put in your graph. So here you just need to select your table, and here in your insert you will see this charts ribbon. So you just need to click on this insert scatter XY or bubble chart. In this drop down menu you will find various types of charts here. So as you can see, I have created a chart here from a line graph. This is the line graphs. If you want any other charts, then just go to insert tab again and choose from here. There are column or bar chart, there is line or area chart, there is pie chart, and there are hierarchy charts. There are a lot of options to choose from. So just click on any one of them and choose how you want to represent your graph. So I would choose this, and now I will just right click on this chart and click on select data in this drop down menu. So here I'll just go ahead and select my table, and it will show all of the data. So it will include all the necessary data for my chart. You just need to click on OK, and it has made another chart for me in another way. So that's how you create graph in Excel. If you found this video helpful, do like and subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.